What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Toya B, and thank you for tuning in. This is the first video of 2020, and I hope you guys had a wonderful New Year and Christmas and everything else before the last time you see me. And yeah, so today's video, I got some new makeup. And I was like, I want to play in this makeup, so why not do a video? This is one of the eyeshadow palettes that I just recently got. It's very inexpensive. I got it from Kohl's sales. But I got it because I was like looking at the eyeshadow and I was looking at the quality of the shadow, and it's very pigmented, and I was like, ooh, I just want to play in this. Like, look at that. Ooh. Very, like, I'm just touching it, I'm tapping it, and it's really showing on my hand. So yeah, I'm going to play in that today. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and stay tuned. Also, I've done my eyebrows off camera already, and yeah, so let's just get into this video. I'm just gonna pin my big hair back. Like that. So you can see my face. I'm learning 2020. I'm learning how to work on my eyebrows and get my eyebrows snatched. I'm still learning, still in the process of learning, but they don't look too bad. So this is the finished look. Yeah, so I think it turned out pretty good. And thank you so much for watching this video. Again, if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe if you want to continue looking at what I do. And thank you so much again for tuning in. I will see you guys in the next